Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today I share with you how I made this delicious plantain, potato and oatmeal swallow that tasted super good. Yeah, it is packed with a lot of nutrients. Honestly, you will love it. Join me and let me show you how I prepare this. So we're going to be needing some potatoes, plantains. You can as well use the unripe ones, okay? So next, peel and cut the potatoes and plantains. If you have watched our video up to this point, it means you like our recipes. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate.
Bother yourself, my brother, whatever it might be. It's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you stay. Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you. And they for put score we active.
So at this point, we are done prepping the potatoes and our plantain. So the next is to transfer into the blender and blend with just little water until it is smooth.
Belly the turn, stomach the rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger. You go humble your spirit, but whatever.
After you have blended the plantains and the potatoes smoothly, go ahead and pour into a pot.
Where you stay. Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen.
Set your cooker on a medium heat and start stirring the blended mixture. Stir consistently just the way you are seeing here till the puree starts coming together to form a dough.
Side belly, you know who to call. Obajo don. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to dey bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect.
So at this point, I added my blended oatmeal little by little, okay? Just a cup, okay? So if you don't have the blended one, you can as well blend it together with the plantains and the potatoes, okay? And keep stirring until everything is well incorporated. So as you can see here, I'm done mixing. So you can as well add little water to get your desired consistency. Yeah, but here I choose not to add water, okay? I covered the pot on a low heat for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I checked on the pot, okay? So I stirred to bring the dough back together. Once done, turn off the cooker and our swallow is done. The swallow came out super good and soft, okay? Yeah, so at this point, I was trying to wrap the swallow so it doesn't dry up. So it is totally optional. You can as well start consuming yours immediately, okay? You can enjoy this swallow with any soup of your choice, ogbono, vegetable soup, bitter leaf soup, or in whichever way you prefer. Hope you try out this recipe, you will never regret it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next one. And remember blessed. Bye.